Verb tinini leishan nengka conditional sentence kabang mas hal sekang nisi min nong ni kaisa koi mung tongmani conditional sentence na ti video sunam di awni bagai ang nong ni bagai video sunam matu ka pai takti na agas kutuk explanation kana tanya simple khaina example ni bisinte sunglai na te shamalan ge puilana samangana nango conditional sentence tam conditional sentence amuno the sentence of musasuk kuno condition te abuni result tongo hayake musasuk mung raida te bini result tongo saimano naroni khawa tau bo kise confusion tongona wana na kere example ni bisinte naimani yago naro serai clear ngi thangana abuni bagai video version ar mai tongde conditional sentence mainly four types tongo abrongka zero conditional first conditional second conditional the lastly third conditional conditional sentence no samana bagai baro o kaibri je bini kaibri dal neba types no kaham ke mutunagdi tabuk jang clearly example di bisiti nalena bobo high sentence ro zero conditional khopja hakaba first conditional hakaba second hakaba third conditional khopja mutunagdi joto conditional sentence no if clause te bini main clause tong ke faide pula no nine elegrawana zero conditional sentence ni example of zero conditional sentence aba high sentence tong no the sentence of general truth bini scientific facts ni ukloba guaranteed result tong ayakaba kobro sanan thangke umti khaga ke bini result aba high ungnai no abo guarantee example if you heat water it evaporates nang tomung no tuino muthung kangke bo kutuk sanai no if you heat water tomung no nang tuino muthung kangke it evaporates abong ka bini result abo kutuk sanai no abo high sentence no zero conditional sentence khobjao take a example when I am happy I smile when I am happy I smile when I am happy engke jefuru ang tongphujak I smile ang apuro muniyo eba khaiba jeng oba haike ba hinma no sentence no I smile when I am happy when I am happy I smile when I am happy okay ni sentence no same aba haike no jeng if clause eba khaba WH question use like jeng conditional sentence no snarman tawsi sabina when I'm happy I smile jefuru ang tongphujak apuro ang muniyo among ka bini result ang muniyo I smile when I'm happy jefuru ang tongthokjak take an example people die means borok thinai if they don't drink enough water bok tomuna bongni nangkukmani tui nang yangke take an example if dogs get angry they growl if dogs get angry they growl tomuna shei jolijakangke bo hulogo eba shingo if dogs get angry tomuna shei jolijakangke they growl borok shungu eba hulogu ige obro nongka universal truth sung saimano sei result jagangke borok sungnai no eba hulogu if dogs get angry obong kangke if clause they growl ge bini result sei jol jaman bagina eba bo shungu kaisa nukulogo te kaisa reason tongo ige obro nongka universal truth kaisa ngma nukulogo te kaisa reason tongo taw faidi first conditional sentence ni example of mine first conditional sentence nge abrono no jefuro mungsasu kuno specific situation jeng je sentence no use layo abrongka first conditional sentence example if you study hard you will pass the exam tomungno ne kaham ke porikha kai ning exam pass nai if you study hard tomungno ne kaham ke porikha ke you will pass the exam ning exam pass nai ingke amono mungsasuk mung nukulogo tekesa mung tong eba reason tong abonongka conditional sentence ni gorando umti khaikai amti nong nai eba umti ingkai amti nong giana obo hai condition take an example if we don't leave now we will miss the train if we don't leave now tamuno sung tabuk no kutulyangke we will miss the train jeng train no miss khari nai eba train te margla take an example if it gets colder we should light a fire if it gets colder tamung no kasang kangke we should light a fire जों हर मुसुंना नांनाय ताफायदि second conditional sentence second conditional sentence okay आबहाय sentence रंनो खबजागो जे sentence जों जोंनि लाइफआव ड्रीम खाया एबा मुजुं मानि जोंनि वानसुक मानि आबहाय रं जोंनि आ ड्रीम खायकबा वानसुक मानि इमा जों मुजुं मानि आबो रियलिटी व फुलफिल इंनि फारमानो एबा इंनानि चान्सेस बेलाय कम आबहाय रं बियाबा इंनि मायाबो हिनमाया इंनि बथांमोना आबहाय sentence example if I won the lottery tamung nani lottery na kangkai I would buy a house in Dubai ang Dubai o kaisa nok tang kamu eba nok bai kamu take an example if he had more money he would buy a helicopter if he had more money tamung bin thani rang ka bangma tongkai he would buy a helicopter bo helicopter kaisa bai kamu Kaya hai imang kotor-kotor sini wan sumunong ka second conditional type ro. Kaya hai kabang mas sentence nong tayo. Dapat third conditional. Conditional sentence ka mungsa sa ing paiman ya gulo seng ulo absus kaiman. Eba mungsa sa kai paiman ulo seng ulo tesha absus sengman. Afura umti kaja kanke tabu umting dohamu. Afuru thang kanke tabu paiman kamu. Abo hai je seng ulo absus kaiman. Kaya abo musung phanote ki filimalia abohai condition abongka third conditional sentence from the example if I had studied harder I would have passed the exam if I had studied harder tamung na kaham ki porja ka gyapro I would have passed the exam ang exam pass ang thangkamu tike omongka ke jora laija kaisao ngi thangmani kono sung musung phanote se firoge amono thik khaimaya abohai situation Abongka third conditional sentence ni types. Take an example from the if we had left earlier, we would not have arrived late. If we had left earlier, tamuna singapura dakti no hoja kanke, we would not have arrived late. So late shogina nangla kamu. Ke abahai no tebo kabama sentence no. Tamung na ani hapuro rang kabama tongangke, tabo ang gelang tong kamu. Eba ang nok kotor matang mang kamu. Abahai situation ro tamung na ang bona puru kutu yakke botabo ano joli jakla kamu abahai ro tamung no puru ang bono kubi kok sakake tabo abahai na nangla kamu abahai situation ro ke tini lesson am sung tong hitum ang khaklai o chikot solution non bai kisa sila concept clear kana nai aponi yagulo ba mungsa seknong ni confusion tro ke no comment lai sajati di paithak jora kerni taman bage belakina hamba